It's really great and pleasure and heartfelt pride that I welcome you all to the closing ceremony of Medical Terminology class organized by Inside Learning Academy for Afghan female healthcare professionals. And tonight we gather to celebrate a significant achievement not only for successful completion of a course, but the dedication, resilience, and passion shown by each one of you throughout this journey. And this program was designed with a vision to strengthen the medical language and communication skill for Afghan women working in healthcare. And in every session, you demonstrated eagerness to learn, overcome challenges, and grow professionally. And your participation has been truly inspiring. So, this ceremony is not just a formality, it's a recognition of your commitment, your time, and your courage to continue learning in the face of many personal and societal challenges. And it's also a celebration of sisterhood, knowledge, and the bright future we are building together, and one step at a time. So, we have a meaningful program ahead of us, including student reflection, certificate distribution, and a chance to honor our best students with certificates of appreciation. So, let us begin the ceremony with gratitude in our hearts and pride in our accomplishments. Once again, welcome and congratulations to all of you. So, let's go ahead. Why we started this journey? So, let's get some achievements and some purpose of the course, that why we started this journey. So today we don't just celebrate the completion of a course, we celebrate the purpose behind it. This journey began with a powerful vision. For example, to equip Afghan female healthcare professionals with the language, tools, and confidence they need to thrive in their field, not only as caretakers of health, but as leaders, communicators, and challenge makers. And in a country where access to quality education, especially for Afghan women, is limited, we asked, what if we created a space where learning had no borders? What if, even in the most difficult conditions, Afghan women could rise, speak the language of medicine fluently, and serve their communities with pride and precision? And this course was born not just as a set of lectures, but as a movement for empowerment, resilience, and hope. And through medical English, we opened a doorway to international opportunities, deeper understanding, and this journey of understanding professional confidence and was built to sacrifice of Afghanistan, achieve the Dagestan. Change of begins why we started, and this is why we will continue. And about some achievements and highlights, we can say what we accomplished together. And over the past 3 months, we did more than completed course. We built a foundation for professional growth, collaborative learning, and healthcare. So we studied one of the most comprehensive and student-friendly resources available, like professional English and use medicine, a book widely respected among medical students, nurses, pharmacists, and midwives. And through this, we mastered core medical terminology and expanded our understanding of the language that connects global healthcare professionals. And so, what we covered in this journey, medical terms and abbreviations essential for clinical practice, weekly medical conferences where students presented and spoke with confidence, and the hands-on projects that taught how to take patient history and hold meaningful conversations with fellow practitioners, and monthly exams to test and reflect on our progress, grammar and reading skill focused especially on medical texts, real world exposure to medical websites, videos, and case based learning across a wide range of topics. So, what we accomplished was not just academic, we built confidence, sharpened our communication, and prepared ourselves for the professional world in hospitals, clinics, and beyond. So, this wasn't just a class, it was a journey of empowerment. So, we will hear voices from our students, about our students' experiences, and we will hear from the heart of this course. Our students, please welcome Ms. Karima Bakhtiari to share her experience with us, including what they learned, what helped them professionally, and any personal story about the course or Inside Learning Academy.
This moment marks the end of an important chapter in my learning journey, and I would like to take this opportunity to express the best gratitude to the entire Insight team. Throughout the duration of these courses, I have witnessed a remarkable level of professionalism, dedication, and care from each member of the teaching and administrative staff. The courses were thoughtfully designed and enthusiasm, which made the learning process not only effective but truly enjoyable. The medical terminology class, in particular, added a great value to my knowledge. The provided me the essential language skills for professional communication in the medical field. The clear explanation, practical examples, and supportive quietness enabled me to gain confidence and improve signification in this area. An aspect that stood out me was the punctuality and discipline demonstrated by the structures and institution. As a whole, each class began on time and followed a structured plan. The committed to time and order greatly contributed to the that I will carry forward in my own career. To all the dedicated staff, thank you for your inviting support and encouragement. Your respectful and kind behavior created a welcoming environment where every student felt seen and involved. You have set a high standard for excellence in education. In closing, I wish to once again extend my sincere appreciation for everything you have done. I am proud to have been a part of this program, and I will always look back on this experience with great respect and gratitude. Thank you very much. It's finished.
Thank you so much, Ms. Karima Bakhtiari. It was a really great speech.
Welcome everyone. In the name of God, the most gracious and the most merciful, respected teachers, estimate ghosts, and dear friends, greeting and every warm welcome to you all. I'm truly honored to have the opportunity to share my personal experience of learning medical terminology with you today and talk about medical terminology information. I hope my words will shed light on the importance of this subject in both our professional paths and everyday lives. First of all, I'm talk about medical terminology. Some information in medical terminology can be described as as a language used by the medical professional in the of their works. It's referred to term used to define the human medical terminology is widely used in the medical professions. After doing the medical terminology course successfully, you can perform the jobs as the following: medical receptionist, clinic team leaders, and doctor assistant. Benefit of doing a medical terminology course such as from this, they are being able to understand and be specialized in understanding the language of health, communicated with the medical staff more especially, and you can also read the medical documentation easily. If you are explaining your problems to the doctors, then you should know the basic function of the different parts and systems of the body. No one can learn and memorize all the procedures, diseases, and diagnoses present in medical dictionary. For making it easier, the complex words are broken down into three parts, which are prefix, subject, and suffix. Medical terminology has their own language, and it helps to medical assistants or nurse and to understand completely what is happening or what has been done to the help a patient. Then I'm share you about my studying medical terminology in my life. Studying medical terminology was not just about learning technology words for me. It was a window into a world of Christian science and Buddha. This knowledge helped me better understand complex medical concepts, communicated or more effectively with healthcare professionals, and even respond more consciously on emergency situations. One of the greatest benefit was the boost in my dealing with information. I no longer feels critical reading, listening to diagnosis. In fact, it was used with simply speaker understand their health condition and treatments in time to process more scientific language in terms of academic and career. I now feel more equipped to explore fields like medical text translations, working with healthcare centers, and further studies in medicine and allied science. In conclusion, I believe medical terminology is not just a course but a powerful tools that empower anyone interested in science and serving their community. Thanks a lot to all of you and my best teachers. Thank you, all of you. This is my word for medical terminology.
Thank you so much, Ms. Manisha. It was a really great and heart-touching speech.
Thank you.
Let's move on.
And really, I appreciate our instructor that
in this journey. She helped us to grow it as well. And I want to share about some my ideas, especially about the experience that I had in this mission with the terminology medical class. So when I participated to this class, I didn't have this like how we can say that I didn't have this demand that I can grow it as well, or more learned as well. So after joining the mission, or after joining the class, I comprehensively realized that this class was accurately very beneficial for us, and we learned a lot of things in this class, especially about the objectives that are covered by our instructor, like medical terminology, medical abbreviation, grammar, reading, conference, quiz, and also about the assignments that she has very careful about this. And especially the things that I learned from this journey, that was medical terminology, the subjects or outlines that were very beneficial for me. Example, like medicines, like the basics information about the health illness, and also about the medical and paramedical personals, about the primary care, and also about the symptoms, the disease, and also symptoms, that sign and symptoms about the disease, especially about the systems like blood systems, bone system, endocrine, eye, GI, gynecology, heart and circulation, about the infections, microorganism, and mental illness, nervous system, oncology, pregnancy and childbirth, and also respiratory system, skin system, urinary system, and also the other special topics was about the investigation, especially about the basic investigation, like laboratory test, endoscopy, X-ray, CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, and ECG. This was really a big achievement for me that I learned from this journey, and this scholarship really helped me to I grew and revised my all lectures that I was lectured from my teachers and university. So at the end of this scholarship, I am deeply grateful for the opportunity of this scholarship has given me. So thank you so much for believing in my potential.
I'm welcoming Ms. Robela Rahimzad as a passionate teacher and insightful educator. So your experience and reflections are truly valuable to us. So we warmly invite you to begin your speech and share your thoughts as an educator at medical terminology class.
Thank you so much. Dear students, hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. It has been truly an honor to guide you through this medical terminology journey. From the very beginning, I was inspired by your commitment to learn. Despite all the challenges life may have placed in your path, each of your brought energy, questions, insights, and most importantly, the courage to grow. Teaching this course was not just about delivering content, it was about creating a safe space for Afghan women to rise, to learn, and to dream. I saw your progress in every session, and I'm proud of the determination and discipline you showed. You proved that no barrier, whether social. As a teacher, I learned from you as much as you learned from me. So your voices, your questions, and your stories have left a lasting mark on this classroom and my heart. Congratulations to each one of you. I believe in your potential, and I know that this is just the beginning of something greater. Thank you for being part of this journey. Have a great time.
Thank you, Ms. Ravla, for your inspiring words and heartfelt reflection. We truly appreciate your dedication and wisdom. So we would now like to express our gratitude to our dedicated students for the program. Your participation, support, and active involvement have made this class even more meaningful, and we are proud to present each of you with that of appreciation. And the certificate recognizes your commitment to learning and contributing to this important cause. So let's see. The first one, for Miss Karima Bakhtiari, certificate of appreciation, and for their outstanding enthusiasm, active participation, and also for Miss Tamanna Akhundzada, the certificate of appreciation, and also for Miss Manija Hashimi. Thank you so much for these three people for being the best students of this journey, and I'm congratulating you all. And it was really great job you have done. And we're here to also distribute this certificate of all the students. And to all our amazing students who completed the medical terminology course, so your dedication, attendance, and performance in this program have been truly inspiring. And we are honored to present you with a certificate of completion to mark your achievement. And each certificate is assigned and verified by Insight Learning Academy, and they can be used for your resume, job applications, and that's really great, and also for your further education. And these are all of the students who have completed this course with dedication and enthusiasm. So congratulations to all of you. Ms. Rukhsar Umar, Tamanna Akhundzada, Ms. Nilab Hakimi, Ms. Ruqya Ahmadi, Ms. Masuda Sangi, Ms. Mauluda Sattori, Ms. Manija Hashimi, and Ms. Maryam Karamand, Ms. Karima Bakhtiari, Ms. Bibi Zainab Muradi, and congratulations to all of you. And over the past weeks, this class has been more than just a learning experience. It has become a community of aspiring and dedicated and female healthcare professionals, from interactive discussions and group activities to shared challenges and the moments of laughter. Each session has been a step forward in empowering ourselves through this true knowledge. And this showcases a reflection of our hard work, determination, and unity. And every face here tells a story of resilience and commitment to a brighter future in healthcare. And let us take a moment to celebrate these unforgettable memories and the strong bonds we have created along the way. So you can see some memories and some highlights of the medical terminology class. And these are some screenshots from the sessions that were held. And as we end this chapter, I want to remind you that this is not the end. It's only the beginning of your journey in professional development and lifelong learning. So you are strong, capable, and needed in the healthcare sector more than ever. And continue learning, continue growing, and never stop believing in your ability to bring positive change. I thank you once again for trusting Insight Learning Academy and for being part of this journey. May your knowledge serve your communities and patients well. Thank you so much.